Good afternoon, guys. Again, I am into the backyard of my garden right now. I just been finished my working here uh, into the backyard of my garden by pulling out the weeds. It's not completely done yet, but I might come back here again some other time, or perhaps maybe tomorrow. Depends on the weather that we had here. But I am taking a pretty quick short video all the beautiful gorgeous mixed flowers and plants that I had here at the backyard of my garden, and it's all kind of mixed. This is that one, there is rosemary herbs, and again my beautiful tulips over here. It's a red one, really beautiful. And again anonymous flowers gorgeous in there, right into the corner as well. It's really gorgeous and beautiful, and I love it because this kind of plants and flowers that I had here at the backyard of my garden, they are all parts of the hardy plants, and I really adore it and live them and love it. I mean, because they don't demand too much time and effort, especially during the heavy winter time. And this is what I love it. And my blue grapes hyacinths there, they look really gorgeous as well and beautiful. And I got some kind of all mixed different kind color of tulips, but some of them are not really come out yet, but they are on the way right now. So just give them another few more days or a weeks later, perhaps all of these they'll be really come out nicely and really looking gorgeous and beautiful by watching them into the backyard of my garden. But right now I don't have to give them any water because the weather here is still cold, just about middle of springtime. I guess the springtime just about, started about a few weeks ago. So it's still a bit kind of cold weather really. Not very cold, but very just cold enough. Not very cold. But I quite like it. These kind of tulips flowers here, I guess it's come out really too early, but I guess it's nearly over as well, because some of tulips flowers, it don't come out the same time. They'll come out into different time. Some of them they come out pre-advanced, some of them are a bit late, you know, but that's okay. I don't mind about that. This is the corner backyard of my garden, and really have to spend time in here again once the weather is really getting much better. So this is what it look like in here into the backyard of my garden, and I love it anyway. Again, I just have to stop it here now. Thank you guys for watching. See you for my next round. Bye.